Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are at a customer's house at a mobile home, and it's about 84 degrees right now, and it's November 17th, and got a call that AC is not working. So we come out here, we find that the compressor has what's called open windings, and what that means is that your compressor has a common run and start where the power goes in. It's fused together inside, but in this case, we call it also a broken leg. That means that the power from common to start, or from common to run, or from a run to start, is not fused together. It links together, and it opened. So we check for continuity, which is this right here. I have my meter hooked up, and it's hooked up to the wires for the compressor. And you can hear a little beeping sound. Hear that there? That means that it fused back together. So we check the wires for the compressor, and we'll come back and turn this on. Sometimes when that happens, because they have a dirty condenser, so you want to keep it clean. Good for us to come out, twice a year, wash it, clean it, do PM services on it. So you can call us for our AC, heat, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcserviceexpress.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. 512-448-0532, 24/7. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.